Please welcome the Chief Executive Officer and the Executive Director of Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing, Mr. Sanath Siranayaka, to welcome all of you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the launch of SRB Slim Research Bureau. Madam Tilanka Abewardena, President, Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing. Mr. Nuwan Gamage, Vice President, Education, Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing. Dr. Jayanta Devasri, Treasurer, SLIM, as well as the Emerald Brand Ambassador for South Asia. Madam Sathika Wickramasinghe, Assistant Secretary, SLIM. And Mr. Sudhaharam Parambalam, Director, Research and Consumer Insights, Sparkwind Research. Members of the SLIM Council and EXCO, past presidents, members of numerous committees of SLIM, students, all of the stakeholders, distinguished guests and participants, and my dear colleagues. We are unfortunate in a way because we are unable to have a physical event due to the current pandemic, which we would have liked to. Therefore, we had to minimize even the number of panelists at today's session. So the physical event is not possible, so the near is an online. And since it's opportune, we decided to launch the SRB. I'm sure SRB is, in abbreviation, it's actually very close to all of our hearts, because when we were schooling during school times, SRB is meant for the school record book, students' record book. So I'm sure every one of you will remember the abbreviation and you will carry with you. Excuse me. So we are proud and happy to launch the Slim Research Bureau today, the latest addition to a portfolio of divisions. I think countries world over, they thrive due to research activities being done, and a lot of innovations happen due to these research. And I'm sure world over, and especially in the Western world, they allocate something like 2 to 3% of their GDP for research. But unfortunately, in Sri Lanka, it's mere 0.11 based on the central bank records. But of course, there is an opportunity. There is opportunity for us to grow and even engage in further research. So having felt the need and seeing there's a gap in the market and where we can actually come in and help the industry, we have decided to launch the SRB, Slim Research Bureau, to help the industry as well as the small and medium enterprises, to entrepreneurs, and even professionals. During this pandemic, one thing which has been changing very rapidly is the consumer. The consumer has been dramatically changing. That's you and I. Now, the brand loyalty, our purchasers, our behavior, all that have changed dramatically. And without research and surveys, it's impractical, near impossible to find out what is exactly going on, what is happening, and how the consumer is behaving. So I think research will help to find out the consumer dynamics today, which are rapidly and very dynamic, especially due to the pandemic. A recent survey done by Kantar on best brands have found out that at least there have been 20 to 30 good brands have made more than 50%, gained more than 50%, which is phenomenal. And sometimes you may think it's all the essential, necessary brands, but it is not so. And among them, there were even luxury vehicle brands as well. For example, Tesla, then Mercedes, then BMW have grown over 50%, and which is phenomenal. And this is, if you go by the gut feeling, and you might not be able to even figure out the fact these luxury brands have grown, you might decide some of these essentials may have grown by or over 50%. And there were, incidentally, some new entrants as well. Those new entrants bearing numbers like 52, 39, and 29 respectively are Zoom, YouTube, and Netflix, which are very close to our hearts. So those are the new entrants. So entire landscape has changed. So I think research plays a pivotal role in identifying where the consumer is, where the preferences are, and the trends particularly which are prevalent in the market. It's important to know what is happening around. So Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing, being the national body, we commenced building kind of a research culture among our students and stakeholders sometime back when we introduced the postgraduate diploma in marketing. So with an element of research and research report and thesis, we actually encourage them to engage in more research back in the day, and then which continues even to date. And also, through one of the main events that we conduct, Brand Excellence. So the data which is supported, the applicants and their courses should be vetted by an agency. So that is another way that we started some time back, because we understood the importance of research. And then subsequently, we took a step ahead and collaborated with Emerald Publishing. Now, with Emerald Publishing, we had a similar launch, and we launched the SAJM, South Asia Journal of Marketing, to bring about, it's a peer-reviewed marketing, open marketing magazine, which is available, and it's an annual publication, biannual publication. And then we also launched ICMM, International Conference on Marketing Management, which is a conference on research activities, and it is actually an annual conference which we'll continue to host in years to come. So we are thankful to Emerald for partnering with the national body for marketing in Sri Lanka. So we decided to launch SRB, and today you witnessed the launch of SRB, and we particularly wanted to help the small and medium enterprises in Sri Lanka and entrepreneurs and even medium-sized organizations to make research affordable. So we have actually taken a two-pronged approach. One is we will have a quarterly market watch where pertinent as well as timely research will be published through this magazine, and you will have every quarter a new topic which will be very useful for our professional marketers and even organizations and industries to get to know what is happening and what is going around on particular areas of interest. And and the other approach is we will you can commission us for research that we will work with organizations, and in particular, we will partner with the government, the industry, the agencies, and foreign bodies in reaching out to you as well as achieving our goals. So we like to work with the agencies as well in Sri Lanka and partner with them in all future endeavors of SRB. So in addition, you can commission us for research work, and we want to make it more affordable to the Sri Lankan community and particularly to SMEs and entrepreneurs in Sri Lanka to support their development in the country. So I guess you have a fair idea about SRB, and which we have launched today. And so reach us. We will help you with our expertise and then the alliances that we'll make in the future. And I'm sure this will help you to grow your particular businesses as well. So thank you for being with us online at this time. Unfortunately, we are unable to have a physical event, but your presence is valuable, although it's online. And so thank you very much once again. And while I wish you all the best, stay safe. Have a pleasant evening. Thank you.